15. Best Amazon Halloween decors you must have in 2025. Want to turn your home into the creepiest haunting place in 2025? Today, I'm going to reveal 10 of the best-selling horror mannequins on Amazon, from creepy silhouettes and spooky faces to horror characters so vivid that they give you goosebumps. These are the must-have Halloween items that will scare anyone who dares to enter your home. Posable life-size human skeleton family. Amazon products you need for Halloween and beyond. This posable life-size human skeleton family comes with 2x4 adult skeletons and 2 mini-child skeletons, all with movable jaws, arms, and legs. Forget those flimsy decorations that break after one season. These are built tough and super realistic, from skull to ribcage. Perfect for creepy yard setups, haunted houses, or even school anatomy projects. They pose any way you want, so you can get creative. But hurry, these sets go fast, link in the description, before they're gone. Hallowen inflatable outdoor decorations. Amazon Halloween finds you don't want to miss. This Halloween inflatable outdoor decoration is a giant 10-feet skeleton archway with glowing LED lights and pumpkins. Seriously, the ultimate yard showstopper. Forget struggling with flimsy decor that collapses in the wind. This one comes with sandbags, ropes, stakes, and a high-power blower, so it stays standing tall no matter what. Plus, setup is crazy easy. Just plug it in and boom, it's up in seconds. Make your yard the scariest and coolest on the block. Don't wait, link in the description before it's gone. Halloween decorations motion detector. Amazon Halloween products you need this year. This one's insane. This Halloween decorations motion detector looks like a demon eye and actually plays spooky music whenever someone walks by. Imagine trick-or-treaters stepping up your driveway and suddenly hearing creepy sounds while a red eye flashes at them. No more boring decorations that just sit there. This one jumps to life and totally sets the haunted vibe. Plus, the rechargeable base hides inside pumpkins or cauldrons, and you can even use it year-round as a driveway alarm. These sell out fast, link in the description, before they disappear. Solar color spotlights outdoor. Amazon products you need for your yard. This one makes your house look magical at night. This solar color spotlights outdoor has 9 color modes, from pure white to rainbow, and it auto switches on when it gets dark. No more boring dim garden lights. This one's solar-powered, super bright with 38 LEDs, and totally waterproof, so it works rain or shine. You can stake it in the ground or mount it on a wall to light up your pool, trees, or driveway in seconds. Don't wait, link below before they sell out. 20 PCs, floating candles with wand magic hanging candles. Amazon Halloween products you need. This one feels straight out of a wizard movie. This 20 PCs floating candles with wand magic hanging candles lets you control the lights with a magic wand literally. Just flick the wand and boom, the candles light up. No more boring decorations. Now you can actually practice spells with the wand, and kids love competing to see who can light up the most. They come with hooks and fishing line, so you can hang them anywhere: your porch, living room, or Halloween party. These sell fast, link in the description before they disappear. Purple LED flame light bulbs. Amazon products you need for Halloween. These are a total vibe. This purple LED flame light bulbs look like real flickering flames, but in purple, instantly making your space spooky and magical. Forget boring party lights. These actually move like real fire without heat or high energy bills. You can switch between 4 modes: flicker, breathing, steady, and even gravity sensing just by flipping the switch. Perfect for porches, parties, bars, or even haunted house setups. They're energy efficient, safe, and crazy fun to decorate with. Don't wait, link in the description before they sell out. 4 modes LED flame effect light bulb. Amazon products you need for the ultimate cozy vibe. This 4 modes LED flame effect light bulb looks like a real flickering flame without the fire hazard. Sick of boring bulbs that add 0 atmosphere? Same. This one has 4 modes: flickering, breathing, steady light, and even gravity mode, so the flame effect is always upright. Just screw it into any standard lamp or lantern, and boom, instant warmth, instant mood. Plus, it's energy efficient and lasts 40% longer. Don't miss out, grab yours now. Link in the description before it's gone. Halloween Ghost Projection Snow Globe Lantern. Amazon Halloween finds you have to see. This Halloween Ghost Projection Snow Globe Lantern projects a spooky white ghost from the top, while swirling glitter lights up inside instant haunted vibes. Regular decor feels flat, right? This one is next level. Flip the switch, and you've got a 6-hour timer, a glowing lantern, and ghost projection that creeps across your wall. You can plug it in with USB or pop in AA batteries to place it anywhere: mantle, porch, or party table. Don't wait. Grab yours now, link in the description before Halloween night. Flameless Candle Night Light. Amazon finds you need for Halloween and cozy nights. Forget messy wax or dangerous flames. This flameless candle nightlight is a total game changer. Tired of candles that burn out too fast or feel unsafe around kids and pets? Same. These candles flicker like the real thing, but they're rechargeable, motion sensor smart, and totally safe. Just walk by and boom, instant glow. Plus, you get a remote, timers, and up to 200 hours of gorgeous light. Don't wait, grab yours now. Link in the description before they sell out. Halloween decorations, outdoor ghost decor. Amazon Halloween finds you cannot miss. This Halloween decorations outdoor ghost decor is 38 inches tall, lights up with bold color-changing LEDs, and even has a candy pocket. How cute is that? Forget boring pumpkins or messy setups. This ghost is super easy to assemble, sturdy with weighted feet, and perfect for your porch or living room. Kids love it because it's spooky but still adorable, and parents love how durable and simple it is to store. Don't wait, grab yours now before Halloween night. Link in the description below. Halloween decorations light up ghost figurines set. Amazon Halloween must-haves you can't miss. These Halloween decorations light up ghost figurine set are the cutest spooky vibe for your home this fall. Tired of Halloween decor that's either too cheesy or too scary? These are the perfect middle ground adorable ceramic ghosts with glowing LED eyes and mouth that give off a warm, cozy light. They're durable, battery-powered, and fit anywhere on your desk, mantle, or even as a centerpiece for your Halloween party. Don't wait, these always sell out fast. Grab yours now, link in the description below. Halloween Ghost Flickering Flameless Candles. Amazon Halloween decor you need this year. These Halloween Ghost Flickering Flameless Candles are the cutest way to add spooky vibes without the mess. Sick of real candles dripping wax or being unsafe around kids and pets? These are battery-powered, made of real wax, and glow with a cozy flicker. Plus, they come in an adorable smiling ghost design. They even have a built-in 6-hour timer, so you just set it and forget it. Perfect for windows, mantles, or your Halloween table. Don't wait, these sell out fast. Link in the description below. Halloween LED Flameless Flickering Candles. Amazon Halloween bestsellers you can't miss. These will take your spooky vibes to the next level. This Halloween LED Flameless Flickering Candle looks just like a real candle, but way safer, and comes with creepy decals like a crow, spider, and skull. Forget messy wax, smoke, or worrying if you blew the candle out. These run on AA batteries, flicker like the real thing, and even have a 6-hour timer so you can just set it and forget it. Perfect for tables, mantles, or parties. Don't wait, these always sell out fast. Link in the description. Halloween Flameless Candles. Amazon Halloween decor you need right now. These are flying off the shelves. This Halloween Flameless candle set comes with 3 real wax candles in orange, each with spooky black pumpkin decals perfect for that festive vibe. Sick of boring plain candles, messy wax, or worrying about fire hazards? These flicker just like the real thing, totally safe for kids and pets, and even have a 6-hour timer so you just set it and forget it. Place them on your fireplace, table, or porch. They instantly level up the Halloween mood. Don't wait, grab them now. Link in the description below. Halloween gifts for adult and teens. Amazon Halloween products you can't miss. Want to be the coolest one at the party? This is it. This Halloween Gifts for Adult and Teens bundle comes with a glowing LED mask and matching light-up gloves. Choose from skull, ghost, pumpkin, joker, or scream seriously spooky vibes. Forget boring costumes or struggling to stand out. These glow bright in the dark, fit comfortably, and the gloves even have touchscreen fingertips so you can take pics without taking them off. Don't wait, Halloween's around the corner. Grab yours now. Link in the description below.